Hi there guys, so I'm in California. Not so sunny today, but I'm on a road trip here from California to Vegas and I wanted to stop by Dollar Tree. And first up we have item of the week. Solar powered little butterflies. They're rather cute. They're a lot of fun. And these necklaces, there's green in the back there, orange and pink. And for the little ones, colour in a summer shell. More novelty glasses. Oh, look at the sunflower ones in the back. And just right for a Hawaiian party. Brass skirts, flower headbands, and garlands. And more beautiful garlands here. Oh, let's take a look at these little decorative items down here. And we have, I like this flamingo. There's a palm tree, pink pineapple, and a yellow pineapple. They're great fun. Oh, there's some, they've got some cards here celebrating Mother's Day, which is coming up very soon. Oh, I'm loving these seasonal glasses, they're beautiful. So you've got the tall tumblers and the shorter tumblers there, and gift bags. There's a quite spring-like. Oh wow guys, look at these. And you know I love blue and white, they're so pretty. And they have platters in gold and silver there. And look at all these beautiful items guys. Shore Living for $1.25. Okay, so I'm going in for a closer look. Ah, look at these bowls. And mugs, you get a decent cup of tea in there. More glassware. Oh, look at that, wish upon a starfish. And look at these melamine plates here. Fantastic value. And we've also got signs here, welcome and home.
With the blue? All right.
And they have some wall decor that you can DIY. And I'm really liking this sign. Look at that, for $1.25. It's amazing value. And look at these beautiful bottles in sea colours. Oh, that's got a parchment in it with a shell wrapped around it. And look at this beautiful colour bottle here. And even an oven mitt. Sea, sand and sunshine. Well, that's what we all long for, isn't it? And here we have some more summery items. Let's go in a bit closer and have a closer look. So a party summer tablecloth here. Pretty banners. And a very pretty table runner in pink and green. We've got napkins here, 16 in a melon, orange. Is that a grapefruit? And this one, I guess it matches the tablecloth. Sorry about the noise there, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, and plates in beautiful summery colours. Hello Summer. Oh, they've got so many different kinds of napkins here. Just look at these. They have such great ideas here, like this idea, fruit drink markers. And that's fantastic, isn't it? Flamingo stirrers. Oh wow, look at these. Very pretty straws there. Oh, and there's even some straws with umbrellas and flamingos there. And here we have flamingo. Now I'm not sure. I think he just sticks in the ground. Let's see. Yes, it's decor for your backyard. They have some more decor here. I love that saying. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Welcome to paradise. Take me to paradise. Oh wow, look at this platter. Some different types here. And some serving dishes. Look at the colour of this. So pretty, all of these things. And some fun little drinks containers. Oh, they've got some nice ones down here. Oh, look at this. You imagine drinking from this in a hot tub. And this shape as well. That could be for your margarita. And if you wanted a really big drink, you'll have to go for this one. And here I'm looking at the gardening section. So let's take a look and see if they've got anything particularly summery here. So garden flags. And this one says, welcome gnome. This one looks summery. Yes, garden flag. Let's see if I can take this out. Take a closer look. Oh, it says hello spring actually, that one. I guess it's spring and summer stock here. Oh, look at all these metal stakes. And they've got gardening glass. Very pretty. And garden tools here in green and pink. And a little froggy that says welcome. And these always catch my eye. These wind twisters, they look very effective in the garden. Oh, and look at these decorative stepping stones. And also coasters. And down here, they've even got bowls. So gladioli. I think they're gladioli. Yep, looks like it. And yellow. And pink, I think, here. Oh, look, they've got some frogs. He's rather cute. And they've got lots and lots of pot plants. And they've got lots of pots. So to pot on all your seedlings, and so they've got larger planters here and the small ones that look like terracotta pots. Ah, now this is good. I've been looking for one of these. So when I'm away, I only have one plant at home, and that's an indoor plant. So I've got lots of plants in my garden, but an indoor plant I've only got one. But this would help to water that. Oh, and And look at these solar powered lights. And they're just so cute. Oh, I love the sunflower ones. And they have all of these beautiful gift bags in sort of floral, summery prints here. And look at all these gift boxes. Just so beautiful. And look at these guys just tucked away down on the bottom shelf. I love that. And another bird here in white. And look at this. Always grateful. It's so pretty. Oh, and look what we've got going on here. Ice cream bowls. Look at the cute little spoons. Another garland. Hello sunshine. What's this? Popcorn bags. Oh, that's fun. And look at all these table scatter pieces. So we've got pineapples there, and flamingos and leaves. And so that's it then for me today, guys. Be sure to subscribe and join me in my travels from California to Vegas, and we'll certainly be taking in lots of shops. So take care and lots of love from Tracy.